Hey guys, and welcome back to Mother's Barbecue. On this video, we're smoking up a brisket hot and fast. This is my first attempt at doing hot and fast brisket. I've always wanted to see how it works, what the results are. So let's get going. So here we have our brisket, and this is just a flat. And the reason why I chose the flat for a couple reasons. I've never done a brisket hot and fast, so I don't want to ruin a whole big expensive packard. And plus, the second part is, when I was at the store looking at the different briskets they had, this flat was nice and thick, and it just looked really cool, or really good. So I thought this would be perfect to practice on. This is just a flat, it's nice and thick. I did very minimal trimming on it. I left a lot of the fat on in the back. Trimmed a lot of the silver skin and hard fat modules on here, nothing fancy. But we're just gonna leave it just like this. And I'm gonna be hitting it with Killer Hog steak rub. And the thing I like about the steak rub is there's a lot of big chunks of garlic and onion and spices in here that'll make a nice crust on this. All right, we're gonna let this hang out for a little bit, let it just absorb that rub, create a nice little shield on this, like I like to call the rub shield. We're gonna be using the Rectec Pellet smoker. Again, I wanna be able to just control the heat, nice and simple, set it at 375, and we'll see how quick this will cook. All right, it's been just over 3 hours, 3.5 hours. We've hit 200 degrees. I haven't done anything except I did spray it with some beef broth. That's about it, but this thing is nice and tender. Got that nice little jello effect. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and pull this, and I'm gonna wrap it in foil, and we're gonna sit it in a cooler for about an hour. So here we have it, 8-pound brisket done 3.5 hours, 375 on the pellet smoker. Let's slice into this. It smells incredible. If I remember correctly, the grains were going, I can't even remember where the grains are going. I think we gotta cut this way. This smells incredible. Not too bad. It's got a little tug to it, but I also could be cutting it the wrong way, but let's give this a try. So it's not too shabby. For a 3.5 hour cook, an 8-pound brisket, flat only, not too bad. Got a nice pull to it. Definitely got that beef flavor. It's got a good smoke flavor to it, pretty light, not too bad. And again, I know this is only a flat, it's not a full packard, and it is my pellet smoker, not the offset smoker. We will be doing it next time with a full packard on my Lone Star offset smoker to see how hot and fast goes there, but this is not too bad. For a quick brisket with good results at the end, I would do it again, definitely. I'm still a low and slow guy though, so it'd kind of be hard to tear me away from that, but give this a try. Try it hot and fast. Let me know how it turns out. Remember guys, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next run. Thanks for watching.